Hello, welcome back. This is your second lesson in the Vocab series. If you have not yet watched the first lesson, please watch it. Let's review 25 less frequency words in this session. Please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss the upcoming Vocab sessions. Now, please focus on the following words. 26. Opprobrium. Meaning: disgrace, shame, scorn. Usage: the scandal brought opprobrium to the family. 27. Pedantic. Meaning: overly concerned with details. Bookish, academic. Usage: his pedantic explanation bored the audience. 28. Perfidious. Meaning: treacherous, disloyal, untrustworthy. Usage: the perfidious act shocked everyone. 29. Prosaic. Meaning: ordinary, dull, unimaginative. Usage: her prosaic writing lacked creativity. 30. Pusillanimous. Meaning: cowardly, timid, faint-hearted. Usage: he was too pusillanimous to confront the bully. 31. Quixotic. Meaning: idealistic, impractical, unrealistic. Usage: his quixotic plans were doomed to fail. 32. Recalcitrant. Meaning: resistant, uncooperative, defiant. Usage: the recalcitrant student refused to follow the rules. 33. Sycophant. Meaning: flatterer, yes-man, brown-noser. Usage: he was surrounded by sycophants. 34. Truculent. Meaning: aggressive, belligerent, hostile. Usage: the truculent behavior alarmed everyone.
35. Ubiquitous. Meaning: omnipresent, everywhere, all-encompassing. Usage: smartphones are now ubiquitous in society. 36. Unctuous. Meaning: oily, insincerely flattering, groveling. Usage: his unctuous manner was off-putting. 37. Vacuous. Meaning: empty, lacking ideas, inane. Usage: the vacuous conversation was uninteresting. 38. Variegated. Meaning: multicolored, diverse, varied. Usage: the garden was full of variegated plants. 39. Vicissitude. Meaning: change, variation, shift. Usage: the vicissitudes of life are unpredictable. 40. Vindicate. Meaning: justify, clear of blame, defend. Usage: the new evidence vindicated her actions. 41. Vitiate. Meaning: spoil, weaken, corrupt. Usage: the scandal vitiated the company's reputation. 42. Vociferous. Meaning: noisy, loud, clamorous. Usage: the vociferous protests could be heard from miles away. 43. Winsome. Meaning: charming, attractive, appealing. Usage: her winsome smile captivated everyone. 44. Xeric. Meaning: dry, arid, desert-like. Usage: the Xeric landscape was harsh and unforgiving. 45. Yoke. Meaning: link, bond, join. Usage: they were yoked together by common interests. 46. Zealous. Meaning: enthusiastic, passionate, eager. Usage: the zealous supporters cheered loudly. 47. Zenith. Peak, highest point, summit. Usage: she reached the zenith of her career. 48. Zaftig. Meaning: plump, full-figured, curvy. Usage: the model was praised for her Zaftig figure. 49. Zest. Meaning: enthusiasm, liveliness, excitement. Usage: he tackled the project with zest. 50. Zany. Meaning: eccentric, Comical, goofy. Usage, his zany antics kept everyone entertained.